Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a special kind of technology. It helps machines to do things that normally need human intelligence. Hi, welcome to AI EdTech Job Seeker channel. Today we will know this through this video. What is artificial intelligence? Why is important artificial intelligence for 21st century, and how to work artificial intelligence? We will tell you through this video. Stay with us till the end. This video. For example, AI can help computers understand language, recognize pictures, and even play games. This is done by creating algorithms, which are like recipes with step-by-step instructions. These algorithms help machines learn from data and make decisions. AI is very important because it can handle lots of information and find patterns much faster than humans. When machines use AI, they can perform tasks without getting tired or making mistakes. This is useful in many areas like healthcare, where AI can help doctors by analyzing medical images to find problems early. By learning from data, AI can suggest new ideas and better ways to solve problems, making it a game changer in the 21st century. AI works in a few simple steps. First, it collects data from many places like the internet, sensors, or databases. Once the data is collected, AI uses algorithms to look for patterns. These patterns help the AI understand what the data means and how it can be used. The second step is learning through a process called machine learning. It is like teaching a computer to learn from examples. For instance, if we want AI to recognize cats in pictures, we show it many pictures of cats. The AI learns what a cat looks like by identifying features like ears, eyes, and whiskers. After learning, AI can make decisions based on the patterns it has found. This decision-making skill is used in many areas, like recommending a song you might like or suggesting the fastest route to work. AI gets better every time it processes new data, continuously improving and becoming more accurate over time. AI is used in many ways today. One important area is healthcare, where AI helps doctors find diseases early by analyzing medical images like X-rays. It can also suggest the best treatment plans for patients, making healthcare faster and more accurate. In finance, AI is used to detect fraud by spotting unusual patterns in transactions. AI also helps banks make better decisions about loans by analyzing a person's financial history. In education, AI creates personalized learning experiences, adapting to each student's needs and helping them learn at their own pace. For example, AI can suggest different exercises or videos to help students understand a topic better. AI powers virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, which help us set reminders, play music, or find information. AI makes our lives easier by automating routine tasks and providing personalized services. This widespread use of AI shows its versatility and impact on various aspects of our daily lives. Section 4. Importance of AI in the modern world. AI is very important in today's world. It helps industries become more efficient by automating tasks, meaning tasks that used to take hours can now be done in minutes. AI also helps businesses make better decisions by analyzing data and predicting future trends. It is used in scientific research to discover new medicines and in space exploration to analyze data from other planets. AI also plays a role in creating jobs, as it creates new opportunities in fields like technology, data analysis, and AI development. People can learn new skills to work alongside AI, leading to more innovation and creativity. AI is important because it can lead to new discoveries and solutions, changing how we live and work. This makes our lives more convenient and connected. AI is an essential part of the modern world, driving progress and innovation. Section 5. Challenges and ethical issues of AI. AI has many benefits, but it also comes with challenges. One major challenge is job displacement. As AI automates tasks, some jobs may disappear. It's important to find ways to support workers as industries change. Another challenge is algorithmic bias, where AI can make unfair decisions if it learns from biased data. Privacy is also a concern, as AI needs a lot of data to work well, raising questions about personal information collection and usage. Protecting privacy while using AI is crucial to maintaining trust. Developers must ensure AI aligns with human values and is used responsibly. By addressing these challenges, we can create AI that benefits everyone and respects ethical standards. Section 6. The future of AI. The future of AI is bright and full of possibilities. As technology advances, AI will become even more powerful and helpful. We can expect AI to play a bigger role in fields like healthcare, where it might help discover new treatments. AI will also help address global challenges like climate change by analyzing data to find the best solutions. People will work alongside AI, using it as a partner to achieve more. By learning new skills, individuals can take advantage of the opportunities AI creates. This collaboration will lead to new ideas and advancements that benefit society. With careful consideration of ethical challenges, we can ensure a positive future with AI.